I feel like I could drink from this. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one. If you're new to the channel, I am Gold Pony. Behind me here is Stangosaurus, and today we're gonna have a little fun installing an extra part on her. So to get started today, let's do a little unboxing. And so once again, hitting up CJ Pony Parts for yet another modification for Stangosaurus. So by the way, in case you guys were interested where I get all this stuff from, not one part has been gotten anywhere else besides cjponyparts.com. And so in case you guys are curious what this little doohickey actually is, this is a oil separator. So what this is going to do is prevent gunk from screwing with my throttle body, and basically it's going to prolong the life of the car a little bit. But this unscrews, which is where the oil is going to sit, right in there. And I've heard different things on how often to change it. Some people say 1,000, some people say 2,000. And I've heard others say whenever you get your oil changed, and probably go with that. Although I'm probably going to check it periodically before that, since I'm just now putting it on for the first time. So let's pop the hood and see what we got to work with here. And so I think we are going to do a little experiment here. If you guys can see the connection there, that little gray thing, I'm going to push on that, but that is the connection to take out the stock tubing there and replace it with the oil separator. Everybody who has done a video on this, I have seen remove the actual engine cover, and therefore they have to remove the strut tower brace that is blocking the engine cover from being removed first. And that is quite time consuming, and I may have to go that route. But to start, let me see if there is an easy button here. I'm gonna see if I can remove that stop tubing before I actually have to remove the whole thing. So we'll see what happens.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh lovely girl.
Hey, so I am happy to show you guys it actually worked. You can actually remove this without removing the engine cover, without removing the strut tower brace, and you can get this thing off. Now the question is, will I be able to get the JLT oil separator back on? Exact same connection. It's essentially a factory connection, same setup. Let's see if this works. And so in case you guys wanted to see the inside, there is the filter. You can see it. And again, this little contraption is going to help prevent gunk up of the throttle body. That is what it actually looks like. It can hold up to 3 ounces of oil in this thing. So I'm extremely excited to be able to take this off and see how much oil it actually gets. Obviously going to take a little bit of time, but still. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see if we can put the oil separator on again without having to disconnect the strut tower brace and the engine cover. Done. That's the video. And so there you have it. You can see it tucked neatly away right under the engine cover there. But for everybody who is wondering how easy of an install the JLT oil separator actually is, because you have seen in other videos, they have removed the strut tower brace, they've removed the engine cover, and in reality, you don't have to. This is such an easy install. They probably did that just to make for a longer video. And that's all well and good, and I can take that stuff off if you guys want me to, but the reality is you don't need to. See that white little plastic piece right there? It just clipped right back on. And you guys can see there's gray little notches back there. Again, just clipped right on. Absolutely no issue. So yes, I know this is a super short video, but wanted to illustrate the point because I hadn't seen one done like this before, where the install video actually hadn't removed the strut tower brace and the engine cover. You don't need to. That is the good news. And the JLT oil separator isn't necessarily something that you're going to need if you're modifying your car. This is something that should have come from the factory. If you only do one mod to your Mustang, this is the one you want to do, again, to keep it running longer. And so you guys, that is actually it for this video. Again, if you have any questions about anything, where I get any of the parts on Stangosaurus, cjponyparts.com. I've already been asked at least a dozen times, so just answering that question now. So anyways, let's end this video with some B-roll, because I always enjoy looking at Stangosaurus, and I hope you guys do too. But anyways, that is about it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys don't know how much I appreciate you. Feel free to follow me on social... Hang on. Hey, wait. social media at the bottom of the screen there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay gold.
Ugly girls, ugly girls.
Well, that's a big spider. Oh, where'd he go? Did I get him? No, I think I missed him. Dang. Yes, I know this. Whoa, that's super zoom.